Your team may forget. Our AI won't follow up keeps everyone on track.
This tutorial demonstrates how to search for follow-up tasks within TrueAIWork. You will learn how to locate specific tasks by using the search functionality effectively. Click the All Tasks tab to view the complete list of tasks available in TrueAIWork. Click the search field labeled Search Tasks or Assignee to prepare for entering your search criteria. Enter the task name to find specific follow-up tasks related to your project or assignment. Select the relevant task from the search results to view its details and follow-up information. You have successfully searched for a follow-up task by navigating to All Tasks, using the search field, entering the task name, and selecting the appropriate task from the results. This process helps you quickly locate and manage follow-up tasks within TrueAIWork.